Welcome to another Cookie Cutter Blender tutorial. This time we are going to model Chase from Paw Patrol. First things first, add the plane and then import your reference image. Select the plane and delete 3 from the 4 vertices in edit mode. This one vertex is going to be the starting point. We are about to draw the outline of this image, so place this vertex wherever you want to start and then start to extrude. Press F to connect the vertices. Copy a vertex and do the same process as before. When you're ready, add the subdivision surface modifier. I would recommend to set the viewport to 2. Now that we have a smoother surface, all that's left is to adjust the outline based on the image. When you finish with your adjustments, accept the modifier. The next thing to do is to fill these edge loops. This way your cookie print will be prettier. If you're ready, select everything and extrude the vertices on the Z axis. Now select only the vertices of the outline and extrude again. This way the inner parts won't cut into the cookie pasta, only make an imprint. Add a solidify modifier, set the mode to complex and the offset to 0. Fix any error occur by adjusting vertices. Accept the modifier, and for the separated parts, let's make a bridge. Adjust these endpoints to the outline. Only one thing left, merge the meshes. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please share with me in the comments, and if you want me to do anything else or have any ideas, share those too. Thank you for watching. Bye.